Alright, the way I'm going to have this set up, there's a gap in here that this little woodruff key goes in there and lines up with that slot right there. But since I am reversing this to the other side, that means I'm spinning it around essentially, and this key needs to come out this side into a slot in here. Okay. Alright, so I need to make sure the notch I'm cutting in this is on the exact opposite side. This will go to center of the gap right there. So here is each part of this. Split in half. There. Oh, I almost broke my paper. Try to rotate it around right there. So now that little mark I got for the halfway mark, which is right here. Nice. No. No. No, it's broken. This piece just came off. Oh no, I didn't tighten it that tight. There's no way. Is that iron, like cast iron? No, 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 no. Dang it. Road trip. Do you think they'll have the chickies?
Yeah. I hope the chickies don't run away again.
Let's go to the... yeah, let's check over there. Ooh.
Yellow ones. They're growing.
They're so cute and fluffy. Let's see here. This is the one I need. Want to hold it? Go get in your seat. Whoa. All right, buckle in. All right, now unscrew that. There you go. Put it in the hole. There we go. Okay, now you're gonna push that. You can let go of it. You can let go of it. Push number 87. There it goes. It's pumping. See, look. Put it back in there. Okay, let go. There you go. Keep going, keep going. Did it click? There we go. Close out. Perfect. All right, let's go. Amelia, we're home.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There she is. It's a monster. Look at that thing.
Tumbleweed garage.